Hey there, ThriveBit crew. Ever wondered what it takes to not just be good at something, but to be truly excellent? I'm talking about the kind of expertise that turns heads, lands big deals, and makes you the go-to person in your field. Whether you're a freelancer, a startup founder, or just chasing a dream, excellence is your ticket to standing out. It's not enough to be average. Excellence brings in the big bucks, solves tough problems, builds your reputation, and gives you a sense of purpose that lights up your life. Sound like something you want? Then stick with me. Today, I'm breaking down a simple two-step formula to achieve excellence in any field, backed by real-world examples that'll make it click. Plus, I'll answer a burning question. Can you be excellent at something you don't even like? What's one skill you're dying to master? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious. If you're pumped for business hacks like this, hit that like button, share this with your hustle squad, and subscribe to ThriveBit by Andy with the bell icon so you never miss a tip. Welcome to ThriveBit by Andy, where we drop weekly business hacks, personal growth strategies, and motivation to help you thrive. Let's start with the secret sauce of excellence, a two-step formula. Step 1 is putting in the work, showing up, grinding, and pouring time into your craft. Step 2 is thinking deeply, reflecting on what you're doing, spotting mistakes, and figuring out how to level up. These two steps together transform you from average to elite. Let's see it play out with a real-world example. Think about kids you know who are glued to their gaming consoles at home. Maybe it's Fortnite, Call of Duty, or Minecraft. These kids play for hours every day, racking up serious screen time after school, on weekends, even late into the night. With all those hours, you'd expect them to be esports pros, right? But most aren't. They're decent players, not champions. Why? They're crushing Step 1, logging tons of hours, but skipping Step 2, reflection. They're just playing on repeat, not analyzing their strategies, studying pro gamers, or tweaking their approach to win tougher matches. Excellence demands more than just time. Those kids could soar if they paused to think, why did I lose that round? Could I have positioned better? What tricks do top players use? Reflecting like that turns good gamers into great ones. It's the same for any skill, whether you're coding, designing, or pitching. What's something you've spent hours on but haven't stopped to analyze? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious. Let's move to our next example to see this formula in action. Now let's talk about someone who used our formula to skyrocket their career. I know a freelance graphic designer who started from scratch, taking small logo gigs for local businesses, a cafe here, a gym there. She was hustling hard, spending hours perfecting her designs, meeting deadlines, and learning new tools. That's Step 1, putting in the work. But what made her stand out wasn't just her grind. It was her obsession with Step 2, reflection. After every project, she'd sit down and review her work. She'd ask herself, did this logo pop? Could the colors be bolder? Did the client's feedback show something I missed? She'd study top designers on platforms like Dribbble, noting how they used spacing or typography. If a client wasn't thrilled, she didn't shrug it off. She dug into why and tweaked her process. Over time, she started pitching bigger clients, like a local event company needing a full rebrand. Her portfolio screamed quality, and her ability to explain her design choices wowed them. Within a year, she went from $50 gigs to landing a $15,000 contract, all because she combined hard work with deep thinking. This story shows that excellence comes from analyzing your craft, not just doing it. Whether you're designing, coding, or selling, take time to reflect. What's working? What's not? How can you level up? What's one thing you've improved by reflecting on your work? Drop it in the comments. Let's inspire each other. Next up, another example to drive this home. Let's look at another case. A small business owner running a clothing shop. Starting out, they do what everyone does: pick products, sell them, and keep customers happy. They're hustling, sourcing trendy shirts from a local market, posting on Instagram, and packing orders late at night. That's step one, putting in the work. But most shop owners stop there, blending into the crowd with average results. What makes someone excellent? Enter step two, reflection. The best owners think deeply about their business. Instead of just grabbing whatever's cheap at the market, they analyze, are these shirts unique enough? Could I find a supplier with exclusive designs? They study competitors' Instagram posts to see what grabs attention. Maybe bold captions or reels work better than static photos. If sales are slow, they don't just post more. They ask, why aren't people buying? Is my pricing off? Or do I need better photos? One owner I know did this and switched to curating vintage-style tees, which sold out in days. Their revenue tripled in 6 months because they reflected, not just worked. Excellence in any field, retail, tech, you name it, requires this mindset. What's one business move you've made after rethinking your approach? Share it in the comments. I'm curious. Let's tackle a big question next. Here's a question I hear a lot. Can you be excellent at something you don't love? Maybe you're stuck in a job or field you're not passionate about, or you haven't found your thing yet. Good news, you absolutely can. Our two-step formula, work hard and think deeply, works even if your heart's not in it. Let's break it down. Think about the countless people crushing it in fields they don't adore. Department heads, freelancers, even your boss might be thriving in a role they took for the paycheck. They succeed because they commit to step one, showing up and grinding, and step two, analyzing how to get better. Take a barista I know who wasn't crazy about coffee but needed a job. She worked hard, learning every drink on the menu, but what set her apart was reflection. She studied customer reactions. Why do some love this latte but others don't? She tweaked her foam technique and suggested a new seasonal drink to her manager. Within a year, she was promoted to shift lead, earning double her starting pay. She didn't love coffee, but her excellence opened doors. Now she's saving up to study graphic design, her real passion. Here's the kicker. Succeeding in a field you don't like can be a bridge to what you love. That barista's income gave her the freedom to explore her interests. Even if you're unsure what you're passionate about, start somewhere. Work hard, think deeply, and the results will lead you closer to your true calling. What's a job you've done that wasn't your passion but taught you something? Drop it in the comments. Let's talk. Time to wrap this up. There you have it. ThriveBit fam, the two-step formula to be excellent in any field. Step 1, put in the work, show up, grind, and commit. Step 2, think deeply, reflect on your process, learn from mistakes, and keep improving. We saw it with gamers who needed more than hours, a designer who leveled up through analysis, a shop owner who outsmarted the competition, and even someone succeeding in a job they didn't love. Excellence isn't about talent or passion. It's about discipline and mindset. Now it's your turn. Pick one skill or project and apply this formula. Start grinding, then carve out time to reflect. What can you do better? Which step will you focus on first? Share it in the comments. I'm rooting for you. As entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk says, hard work and self-awareness are the ultimate cheat codes. You've got this. Go chase excellence. If you love this video, smash that like button, share it with your hustle squad, and subscribe to ThriveBit by Andy. Hit that bell for weekly business hacks, personal growth, and motivation. Drop your stories or questions below. I read every comment and can't wait to connect. Until next time, keep hustling, keep growing, and let's thrive together.